past tense. Okay. Next, do not write personal interpretation. So you have to first read the original passage, and if it is not understood, you have to reread the passage again, and you have to write. First, you have to make rough draft. So out of original passage, if for example, if your original passage contains 500 words, if that original passage is of 500 words, when you're writing a FAR draft, you should cut down the unwanted words, but see to it the meaning or the sentence or the coherence should not change. So you can just short down or cut some unwanted words from the original passage, and you have to make it as a FAR draft. Fine. Next step, you have to write, sorry, rough draft. First, you have to read the original passage, and you out of original passage you have to make rough draft. And after that rough draft, with the like with the help of rough draft, you have to make it as a FAR draft. So original passage to rough, rough to FAR. So if the original passage is of 500 words, you should short down the words and make as a rough draft. So almost it should contain 300 words. So your rough draft will contain 300 words. Then out of rough draft, you should make FAR. The FAR should contain 200 or 150 words. But the meaning or the content should not deviate, or you should not give your personal interpretation. So always write in third person. Give number of words in original passage as well as in summarize passage. So at last, first you have to make a rough, and then FAR. In FAR draft you have to give a suitable title, and then at last you have to write number of words in original passage 500, number of words in FAR rough draft 300, number of words in FAR draft 200 or 150. At last, suitable title, you have to give suitable title. Fine. So length of summary should be 1/3 of the length of original passage. So original passage you have to make as rough, rough you have to make as FAR, and you have to give suitable title, and at last number of words in original passage, rough passage and FAR passage, and suitable title. And after writing your rough draft, from the margin side, that is from left to right, you have to cut down the rough draft. So you have to strike it from the left corner to the right corner with the pencil. So after writing your rough draft, you have to make it as a FAR. After FARing your, like after uh, writing your FAR draft, you have to cut the rough draft. This is what press is writing. Are you clear? Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, give an example.
Example.
Yes, ma'am.
I have example in my note. I can just take a snap of it and will send you. Wait.
No, what is the last point after making a fair draft? You need to cut right rough draft.
Yes, yes.
Like how?
From the margin side, that is from your left to right. Wait, I will give a example. Just check your WhatsApp. Have you all took that pic? So the question is, speech is a great blessing, but it can also be a great curse for a while. That is your original passage. Move on to the next pic. So before rough draft, your original passage ends there. So, and conditions of men. So that will be your original passage. And see, rough draft. Have you seen a line, striking line?
Yes,
Strike.
yes, ma'am.
So from the left to right, you have to strike with your pencil. And next,
This
take
is,
next pick. You have to make it as a fair, and you have to give suitable title, and you can give the words like here it is mentioned like rough draft. After rough draft, they are mentioning some words in precis, right, precis and original. You can make that as last point. So after far draft, you can give number of words. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When is your CT3?
Ma'am, it's in February.
Okay, fine. So parallel structure, I can take it in next class.
February 18th is English, and the CP3 would start on 12th February, but the
Okay.
practicals would start on 25th Jan, means from Monday.
Okay, okay. We have another class, right? After this, you have fifth day order. Okay. So fifth day, only two, like only remaining topic is parallel structure, right? So I can take this parallel structure in day order 5.